Hello students, in this pandemic era, online education is the source ahead of for your future. And all of us are having fear that will my eye get strained, spectacle number increases due to long sitting in the computer, or how can I keep my eyes healthy and continue with my online lessons. Here is a solution I'm going to give you. This is Karthik, physical education teacher. Carry your eyes during online classes. I'm going to give you some important tips to take care of your eyes during these online classes. I know it is very stressful to sit in one place and look at the screen for a long time, but still we have to overthrow this due to the pandemic coronavirus. So I'm going to give you some basic tips which will be helpful for you. Position of device and the posture. How you sit in front of the computer makes a lot of difference in your impact on your eyes. Distance from the screen should be 1 to 1.5 feet or 2 feet. Place laptop on the table than in the lap. Don't keep your laptop or mobile very close to your eyes. So it should be like at least 1 to 2 feet away from your eyes, and it should be in a level to your eye level. Screen should be preferably 10 to 30 degrees below your eye level, so there is no neck strain. Sometimes you keep the mobile under your lap or like down, so you bend your neck and it will be like, so actually like if you're putting your head in front and looking down, you're creating so much pressure on your neck that will strain your neck and it will be like injurious also. And back straight, you have to sit back straight, keeping your back erect against the chair. Preferably if you're having an ergonomic chair, it is fine. Otherwise, if you are too short, you have to keep a pillow under your to increase your height. Caving of back. Due to constant slouching is in improper sitting posture, you will hurt your back. You can see the difference. The spine is curvature in the second one, which is in a red color. You can see this is like more curvature. This is the mostly the students will sit in for a long time. So automatically the muscle in the front will get so tight and the spine will get so much pain and you will have a lower back pain. And this is the correct posture. You have to sit erect, keeping your elbows resting on your armrest, or even you can keep a pillow for your arms also. Digital distancing is also good. So it's not like only the social distancing. Now digital distancing is main. Smaller kids have the habit of drifting closer and closer to the screen over time, even to a bigger screen like television. You can watch them, they slowly move close to the screen and watch the picture. So with a smaller device like mobile phones and laptops, think they will be like going or putting their head too much closer to the screen. It is not safe. So parents, please supervise their kids to maintain the distance. Conscious blinking. So this is the best exercise you can give it to your eyes, because constant staring at the screen causes us to blink less frequently, which is natural. But to avoid that, you have to constantly blink consciously so that it is better. Don't zoom much into the screen. You have to like just blink your eyes often so that it will be like refreshing your eyes and our attention. Normal blink rate, normally we blink 12 to 15 times a minute without seeing a screen. But when you are seeing the screen, it will be reduced up to like 50%. That is like only 5 to 6 times you blink. So that may cause dryness on the eyes. And if you keep blinking, the eyes will get water from like that liquid. So it will be like keeping your eyes healthier. Timing and taking of breaks. So in between a session, it's ideally a session should be not more than 20 to 30 minutes at a stretch. I know, but still we have 40 minutes a session like a class, but still you people can stand up during your your classes. Encourage a 10-minute break after each session. So you can have like you can log in and have a 10 minutes break when the teacher is taking attendance. You don't like sit. You can just stand up and you can just have the relaxation. Child should move away from the screen. Stretch in the break. Roll your head. Normally like when you're sitting, you can see the chin is poked in the front. So to avoid that, you can have the stretch, roll your neck, roll your head side to side, tuck your chin inside, which protrude towards the device. This protrusion you have to like pull it towards inside. Stretch your chest and abdomen to allow the spine to relax, because when you sit constantly, your curvature will be like more, your abdomen and chest is getting tighter. So you have to stretch and stretch your forearms and wrist because you constantly keep your hands on the same position. It's better to stretch your forearms and wrist. You can see the stretches. You start like this. This is one stretch which will relax your full arm. And look outside the window, mainly for the eyes, because we constantly sit closer to the device. We don't have the uh, eyes able to like zoom in and zoom out. Normally when we see a far off object, we try to zoom in. Actually your eyes work as a camera, so it zooms. So it's better to like look outside the window and try to see far off object. You can make count. You can find, suppose like from my home, if I see, I can see flags, different country flags in the schools. So I will be like trying to like look through that and like try to look the tree leaves. You can see the tree tip, and you can see moving object that the cars are going from my balcony. I can see that. So that is also good. And drink water to hydrate. That is the main thing, because when you sit for longer time, we don't drink water. So as much as you drink water, your body will be keep relaxed and hydrated. So jump like a little jack. Normally like kids will jump, they don't sit in one place. So you have to be like moving every class. After every session you have to like just relax yourself. Brightness setting, this is very much important. Before your session you have to adjust your system or your mobile brightness. You have to go for auto brightness. That will be helpful, because sometime you may be sitting on the hall, it will be like more bright. Sometime you will be like sitting inside the room, so it is better to like have an auto brightness. It will be like avoiding the glare and too dim unwanted eye strain. Apps like Flux may be used. Like there is an app called Flux which will automatically fluctuate your brightness setting in your computer. Protective gear for eyes. Wear spectacles. Mostly like children, they forget to wear the glasses. So during the classes they should wear spectacles, better than like wearing a lens. So normally people prefer lens because they don't want to like wear the spectacles. But during the online classes it's better to like have a spectacles. And anti-reflecting coating helps to cut off the blue light from the LED device, because like how much LED devices like have the radiations. So for older children who use contact lenses, remember using specs while studying at home is wiser. Healthy diet. Now moving on to the diet. See, only exercise doesn't give you like a healthy eyes. Even the diet can build you a healthy eyes. So mostly like food what we eat has a different vitamins. So in that, like fish are the first source of good resource. That many fish are rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. So we have tuna, salmon, trout, mackerel, sardines, anchovies, herrings. So fish oil can reverse dry eyes. Mainly like your eyes get dry when you see in the screen for longer times, including dry eyes caused by spending too much time on the computer. So nuts, legumes. So nuts are also rich in omega fatty acid. Like nuts contain high level of vitamin E, that is which is good for your eyes. And walnuts, Brazil nuts, and cashews, peanuts, and the lentils are the nuts. And next to the seeds, like nuts and legume seeds also have high omega 3s and are rich source of vitamin E. Seeds are available for purchase in most grocery stores on the online. Seeds high in omega 3 acids includes chia seeds, flax seeds, and shem seeds. Citrus fruit. People like, we eat a lot of fruit, but we can select some fruits which are rich in vitamin C, just like vitamin E. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that is recommended by the AOA to fight age-related eye damage. Citrus fruit includes lemons, orange, grapefruits, and leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are rich in both lutein and zeaxanthin and are also good source of eye-friendly vitamin C. Well-known leafy green includes spinach, kale, and collards. And next one is the carrots. Everyone knows that like carrots are good, rich in both vitamin A and beta carotene. Vitamin A plays an essential role in vision, and its protein component called rhodopsin helps in your eyes healthiness. Research on beta carotene role is vision is mixed through the body needs. This nutrient can make vitamin A. So carrot is a good source of vegetable which you can eat without cooking also. And sweet potatoes like carrot, sweet potatoes also rich in beta carotene. They are also a good source of antioxidant vitamin E. And beef, which is rich in zinc, which has been linked to better long term eye health. Zinc can help delay age related sight loss and macular degeneration. Meat such as chicken breast also contains zinc. So extra care we can have, apart from that extra care, cut down on screen time for entertainment purpose, like watching cartoons, because people after the class they will go and sit and watch cartoons. Again, they are in front of the screen, so they can read books or they can just play outside, so they can move their eyesight like eyeballs, so that will increase the hydration of the eyes, so dryness will not be there. And obviously like physical activity to relax your mind, yoga and aerobics are also a good form of physical activity which keep you uh, healthy and keep your eyes in a good condition. And adequate sleep for 8 to 10 hours is essential nowadays. You know that you have enough time to sleep. We have to like sleep an adequate way so that your eyes are getting enough rest, because you spend more time in one place and looking at the screen for hours. Mainly like now in the classroom it is different, but in the system online classes we sit in front of the system for more than 4 to 5 hours, so automatically the radiation and the heat from the system is affecting your eyes. So getting an adequate sleep is also an important thing to relax your eyes. I hope these tips will be like helpful to prevent your eyes from damages. Thank you so much.